How about y'all give us a comment down below? What do we need to build next? How do we need to mod this truck? We need some comments, so just let us know. We'll do it if we can. If it's in our budget, we'll do it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. We're here again with this beautiful 2013 Toyota Tundra TRD off-road in super white. We're going to continue working today on the little bit of damage it got. It sustained here on the front end, which was, was a good bit, but could have been a lot worse. Could have been a whole lot worse. So what we got to do today is we're going to try and replace this piece. We did get us a brand new one in from Toyota. We got the whole thing. You saw in the last video, we did take the radiator support off as well. So that sucker comes right off of there. So we did take that radiator support off. We also have a brand new one of those and a pair of new hood hinges as well. So what I think I'll do first thing this morning is we're gonna get all that stuff cleaned up, scuffed up, get it in the paint booth, get some paint on that. And then after we get that stuff painted, then we're gonna start on this apron. We gotta get all of this stuff off, get everything out of the way, start drilling it out, and then hopefully we'll get it off today. That's our goal. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna jump on it. We're gonna stop talking and we're gonna hop to it. Alrighty, man. God, we have been going wide open on this thing. We have been getting this stuff ready to paint. We got our two new fenders laid out here. Decided to add that to the mix today. Why not go ahead and paint those suckers? Was like, yeah, let's do it. We're gonna trim out this hood. We're gonna get that all trimmed out. And then we're gonna trim out the radiator support and get that all painted up. JP, he's mixing up the super white right now. So we're gonna get this painted. We got the hood all seam sealed up, ready to go. Everything's ready to go. I gotta wipe it all down. We're gonna wipe it all down with some 30-30-30. Get that wiped down. We're gonna get it all tacked off. It's gonna look beautiful. This truck, it's already coming together. It is a beautiful truck. We love it. We know y'all are gonna love it. Because who don't love a Toyota Tundra? So let's stop talking and let's hop to it. Alrighty guys, man, check that out. Check out in that booth where JP, he's been in there. He's been putting the shiny gloss coat on those parts, man. It looks absolutely amazing. We're super excited to see this done. Man, next thing we gotta do, we gotta wait on this stuff to dry for a little bit, just a little while. We're gonna get that radiator support out. We're gonna put that on the truck. We're gonna set in and start fitting all those fenders to that new apron. Everything is gonna be amazing. This truck is gonna be back together before we know it. So how about y'all give us a comment down below? What do we need to build next? How do we need to mod this truck? We need some comments, so just let us know. We'll do it if we can. If it's in our budget, we'll do it. If not, we'll get some of JP's money, we'll get some of CC's money, and we'll get it done. Because we're gonna do it for y'all. We wanna bring the best content that we can bring. So you know what? If you like what we're doing, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.